Hey guys, so this is the iPhone 14 series plastic mock-up. Yeah, it is, you can say, near final look at the design and schematics of iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Max and iPhone 14 Pro Max. So I have a 6.1-inch iPhone 14 coming with dual cameras and a notch. So no too less changes from last gen, but still it's gonna be popular cause of not so expensive price and a small form factor. The iPhone 14 Pro is gonna look similar in terms of dimensions but has a pill-shaped hole on front and an additional camera sensor. Now this one is iPhone 14 Max, which has got a 6.7-inch large display, a notch and dual cameras on back. So it is, you can say, not so expensive iPhone with a large display, and then comes the most expensive iPhone 14 Pro Max with 6.7-inch large 120Hz high resolution display with an eye-shaped hole on top. So we have a pill hole containing Face ID and a circular hole for selfie shooter. Yes, also the rear module is now massive cause of large 48 megapixel main sensor size. So design wise, I think the Pro Max looks better cause that eye-shaped hole looks hideous on 6.1-inch non-Max. The highlight of that device is A16 Bionic silicon, which is gonna be powerful and power efficient, 6 gigs of DDR5 RAM and iOS 16 with always on display on top. So Pro Max is for sure best of the best, but I think the iPhone 14 Max will sell like hotcakes too, because many I know want a 6.7-inch large not so expensive iPhone, but sad part is Apple is using last gen silicon with small changes. So we have a 60Hz high resolution display, 6 gigs of DDR4X RAM, dual cameras on back and a notch on top. The battery size is a little smaller than last year. This is the battery capacity as per leaks. And this is all guys, thanks so much for watching. Your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe and peace out.